Hey guys, I will be reacting to some more text to I don't know what is it. It says dealing with the whacked stepmother is a Roblox animation. So let's go.
Hey
Hey
son,
son,
come
come
downstairs, we
downstairs, we
have a
have a
surprise.
surprise.
What is it, Dad?
You're
You're
getting a
getting a
new
new
stepmom
stepmom
and
and
stepbro.
stepbro.
Yeah, I always wanted and stepbro, but I hope stepmom is very nice.
Yeah, she has only been nice to me when we first met at the ice cream place.
And she is instant nice, I'm gonna call Grandma to fix this problem.
Okay. They
They
are
are
here,
here,
Joseph, be friendly from Theme OK, you got it.
Wait, let me go text my best friend LOL. Wait when he is meeting HI stepdad and stepbro, H and M seems sus.
Wait,
Wait,
you'll know each other.
Best friend, one of the chances. And why is she named Step Dumbass? Dumbass. I don't know why.
Whatever now. Joseph, clean the house now.
Why? She merely make him clean the house, Joseph. That's why she's. That's why her name is Dumbass. What is that? What is that voice?
Oh, okay, fine.
Sheesh. So anyway, Joseph,
She's. She's.
let's play on the trampoline. Yeah, I love the trampoline.
OMG, here for you.
Okay.
You should have taught that trampoline out here, Sana. Cocktail with 1% of her power.
1%.
And oh my, hell,
She's bold like a body basic. Oh my god. What is this?
And we find all hope she won't abuse your dad this year.
You clearly look like Mrs. Clean.
I don't know who's Mrs. Clean. Oh my ears. My god. What the fuck is this?
Holy crap, why do you cry so loudly? My ears are killing me.
Also, guys, don't worry,
I sure will buy another trampoline for you guys.
Yay, and it's also my birthday.
Alright, your own presents are nowhere open them.
OMG, an iPhone 12 and a lottery ticket.
iPhone 12 and a lottery ticket. One of the
Ticket ties and dad.
Give it for Daniel now, you little fucking brat.
You want something that I tell you, bitch?
In mind, holy shit, he's just like a demon.
No,
Damon, don't you think that's your best friend?
no, I'm sorry, Joseph.
Good now.
No, I'm sorry, Joseph. You literally said that immediately.
Now I'm going to the store by y'all.
Kid, where are your parents?
Kid, where are your parents?
Oh, okay.
Hey guys, I'm back. Okay, nice man, so anyways, you should scratch the ticket. Yeah, it's got auto that anyways. Scratches both of the tickets. OMG, I won $30 billion, W.E. or rich.
That's great for him.
Give me $15 billion now, you musty, dusty, busty, rusty, crusty rat bit.
I don't know what that means. But she's an asshole.
Bitch.
And I won't you little gold digger.
And also, you motherfucker, we are now breaking up.
Wait, you can't do that, my little sugar squirrel, handsome baby sugar cutie. I love you.
What is simp? What is simp?
Please no.
Too bad, but that weird ass fucking words. Anyways, let's go, my little king sons.
Yeah, let's go buy a huge mansion. Why, woo-hoo?
Why was it ho 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 ho? What is that?
Let's buy this mansion.
Dad, go buy it now. I just sent the whole money into your credit card.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Buys mansion.
Let's pack our shit. And leave this.
Shit. Let's pack our shit and leave this poor house. My God. Whoa.
This poor house.
Okay.
They all packed their stuff.
Let's find Bugatti Chiron. Okay.
Bugatti Chiron.
Buys Bugatti Chiron online.
6 minutes later.
Finally, the car's here now.
Hop in, kids.
Jumps in car. Sits on the car. Well, Joseph, I love this.
He's a great driver. Bugatti. Woo. Woo.
Okay, kids.
We
We're
aired here
at the Madison.
Let's go
Madison. What is Madison?
inside.
After they went inside, they viewed everything and lived a happy life.
Oh, mansion.
3 years later.
Kids, come downstairs now.
What now? We were playing Fortnite. Now what is it, Dad?
Fortnite. You are in Roblox. How the hell are you playing Fortnite?
So you're getting a new stepmom
and
and stepsis.
Oh shit, not again.
Oh shit. Here we go again.
10 minutes later.
They
They
are here. I hope
they are very nice.
Hey, babe, who are these cute little boys?
Oh, that is my two sons.
That's Joseph. And that's Daniel.
Daniel.
And that's Alexa.
And that little girl is Vicky.
Where is my room? Follow me, I guess.
Joseph and Vicky went upstairs.
Why is my room so small? Because the rest of us took the bigger rooms. Let me see your room, idiot.
My God.
Next time, learn to not call me an idiot, stupid. Now here's your room. This isn't fair. I want your room now. Mommy, Daddy.
What do you want now?
I want the last room right now.
You should be grateful, even though you have a room spoiled brat.
Daddy, can we get one of Roblox?
No,
I can give you 1 cent.
Here now. Oh. That is its smacks her 8 billion times. Throws her to Godzilla spins. Breaks
Godzilla Spains breaks 67 of her brain cells, breaks her hands.
67 of her brain cells. Breaks her hands.
She should be dead. She should be dead by now.
Go to your room now, you rat.
In her room.
I wish I could make me dad super angry. I got a really smart idea. I'm going to spend $25,000 on Robux and blame it on Joseph.
That's a bad idea. That's a bad idea.
This will be a very smart idea. Let's go to
Is she a villain or something?
my stupid dad's room. Okay, now, let's find the credit card. Stop again for the stupid credit card. My stupid voice is breaking.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to...
So much later that the old got tired of waiting and they...
I am a new one.
Finally, I found the stupid credit card. Let's buy Tafado Crab UX now. Buy Tafado Crab UX. I'll be waiting until Dad finds out someone used his credit card, and he will
Villain choice.
Many minutes later,
Everyone come to the goddamn table right now.
What is it now? Me and Joseph, we're playing Roblox.
Roblox and Fortnite. What the fuck?
They're ISA an imposter. Someone used my credit card on Robux.
Imposter. When the imposter is sus.
WHODIDIT.
Is this?
Among Us. Yes, it's Among Us. I was playing Roblox with Joseph the whole time. It's not me. I was busy playing with my phone, watching. It's clearly Joseph. I saw him buy Robux with Dad. Proof do you have? I don't know. We didn't do anything with that credit card. That's only.
You guys.
You
You guys are sussy bakas.
Sussy bunkers.
Oh, shut your mouth. You wanna throw hands, bitch.
Met
Met Uracy Will. Everyone, get your ass here right now.
Oh, what is it? I was busy playing Roblox.
Someone spent $25,000 on Roblox. WHO is responsible for this.
Again.
Oh shit, you must have crusty, dusty, rusty rat mouth. Oh, really? Breaks all off her bones. Throws her to Godzilla's mouth. Combats all over that ass.
It's so loud.
Anyone's dead. Let's check the security cameras.
Okay, let's go.
Check security cameras. OMG, you stupid dumb girl. You're grounded for 3 weeks. Go to your room now.
I'll handle this. Kicks her ass to her room.
She's spinning.
Finally, now we don't need to see your crusty face for 3 weeks.
Same. 4 years later.
Dad, can we go to Six Flags?
Sure.
Everyone get ready. We're going to Six Flags.
Yay. I
I
don't believe you.
Slap
Step spoiled. Parents then. They can drive us right.
You know